Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating power, safety first. Once done, measure the vent center on both interior and exterior walls so the duct runs straight. Mark a 3-pilot hole and drill it to verify alignment. This prevents guesswork. Make sure you locate studs and avoid wiring or pipes. Use a stud finder. Then enlarge the opening with the chosen hole saw or reciprocating saw. Make the cut clean so the external hood will sit flush, and so sealing is simpler later. Once the hole is ready, you insert a rigid 4 metal duct because flex duct reduces airflow. Run the duct straight with no more than one gentle bend. Every curve cuts performance. Push the duct through and seat the exterior hood so the flange lays flat outside. Fasten the hood with corrosion-resistant screws, then tape all seams with listed foil tape, not cloth. Make sure to add foam insulation around the duct inside the wall. To prevent drafts, you finish by fastening the interior grill and applying a continuous bead of exterior-grade caulk to the outside flange, then caulk the interior trim for an airtight finish. Once sealed, power up and run the microwave vent on high to test airflow. Listen for rattles and watch the damper open. If airflow is weak, check the backdraft damper for obstruction, remove any kinks, and shorten or straighten the duct. These changes typically restore capacity. Finally, recheck seals and fasteners for long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.